Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to send friend request on Facebook application. To send friend request to your friends, first of all, open your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into it. Once you open it, check on your notification. You may have friend suggestion. If you have any, then hit on that. Once you hit on that notification, your people you may know page will be opened. Or you can also go through the setting to people you may know page. Now, if you hit on the add friend, then you can easily send friend requests. To accept the friend request, you can hit on the confirm. So in this very easy step, you can easily send friend request on the Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.